Alright guys, I'm Michael with Stain Steel Experts and Restorative Wood Products. We're out here in Mount Juliet, Tennessee today. We've got a privacy fence with a cap top on it, and we're just going to check this for the moisture content right now. You can get these on Amazon for about 25 bucks, Lowe's, same price, give or take. And we're going to see what this is at. So this is the horizontal surface here on the framework. We're at about 10.5 is where it's holding at, which is good. We do 13% or less, so that's great. Another thing I do here is on this top cap, it gets a lot of sun, so it's not really going to hold a lot of moisture, but just in case, we go ahead and hit that too. And yeah, we're at about 8.5 on that, so that's great for those. It'll soak it up real good. The wood's dehydrated, and it's going to take it in, it's going to soak it up, it's going to penetrate it really well.